Greetings and welcome back to Clark's Our Culinary. Today we're making easy cheese Danish. Start with 8 ounces of cream cheese. Add 1 whole egg and 1 additional yolk. 4 tablespoons of white sugar. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of lemon juice. And a dash of salt. Mix until smooth. Dust your work area with all-purpose flour and place sheets of puff pastry down. Cut down the center of the puff pastry to create squares. Dab a little egg wash on the corners of each square. This will act as glue as we fold the corners of the pastry in. Press them down gently to secure. Add about a 1/4 cup of cream cheese mixture to each pastry. Brush with egg wash and sprinkle sugar on the puff pastry. Place them in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a total cook time of 30 minutes, 20 minutes on the bottom rack and 10 minutes on the top rack. Once they're done, remove them from the oven, let them get cool enough to handle, and then enjoy. This recipe will yield 8 to 10 pastries. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Clark's Our Culinary. Please be sure to give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.